We are excited to announce the launch of the new Booster Pool 2.0. To receive daily rewards from the Booster Pool 2.0, you need to acquire a Booster Split 2.0 license, then a contract, and finally withdraw and freeze the acquired Booster Split 2.0 tokens. Purchasing a license is the first step in using the product. The license determines the limit or the number of Booster 2.0 splits you can buy by signing a contract. Only after purchasing and activating the Booster Split 2.0 license will you have access to Booster 2.0 contracts. The Booster Pool 2.0 is currently the most rewarding product. First, the Booster Split 2.0 license and contract are paid for by freezing Ultima. The uniqueness of this payment method allows you to freeze Ultima for 1 year in your smart wallet, after which you'll receive the tokens back in your wallet. Secondly, with Booster Split 2.0 licenses and contracts, you can receive rewards from 3 liquidity pools simultaneously: Booster, Ultima, and the Game Pool. During the legendary promo period, you'll receive not only Booster Splits, but also promo codes to top up your balance in the Battle Bulls Telegram game. This guide will provide detailed steps on purchasing a Booster Split 2.0 license and contract on the DeFi-U product website using Ultima freezing, demonstrating the entire splitting process from token withdrawal from the dashboard to requesting your first reward. Step 1. Purchasing the Booster Split 2.0 license. Go to the DeFi-U website. In the top right corner, click Login and Log In. Scroll down to see the available licenses for purchase in the Booster Split 2.0 licenses section. Note: if there is a promotion ongoing, you'll see promotional licenses on the first tab. Purchasing promotional licenses follows the same steps described in this guide. Select the license that suits you and click Purchase. A window will open, prompting you to choose a payment method. Choose Ultima Freezing, confirm your agreement to the terms by checking the box, and click Purchase. A window will open where you will need to enter the address of your Ultima wallet, where you will receive the frozen Ultima tokens in 1 year. Please note that you are only allowed to use your personal wallet in Smart Wallet, to which you have full access. If you enter an exchange address, you will not be able to receive the unfrozen tokens. It is also prohibited to use third-party wallets. Please note that after paying for the product by freezing, the age of Ultima in the wallet you specified will be reset to 0. After entering the address, click Confirm. The next page will display the amount in Ultima and the wallet address to which you need to transfer the specified amount. The address will also be available as a QR code for sending the transaction from a mobile app. To make the payment, send the required amount to the specified wallet. Please send the exact amount shown on the screen, and don't forget about the network fee. If you've completed everything correctly, you'll see a message that your purchase of the Booster Split 2.0 license was successful. Now the license needs to be activated. To do this, go to the My Licenses menu section, find the purchased license, and click Activate. To view the activation history, go to the Activation History tab. Now, the values on the Booster Split 2.0 license usage widget will change. The total and available limit will increase. The limit indicates the amount of Booster Split 2.0 contracts you can purchase according to your licenses. Step 2. Purchasing a Booster Split 2.0 contract. After purchasing and activating your Booster Split 2.0 license, the next step is to enter into a Booster Split 2.0 contract. To purchase a Booster Split 2.0 contract, navigate to the Booster Split 2.0 Contracts tab. Once you've selected a contract within your license limit, click the Purchase button next to it. A pop-up window will appear where you need to select the Ultima freezing payment method and agree to the provided terms by checking the box. Then, click Purchase to proceed. A window will open where you need to enter the address of your Ultima wallet, where you'll be able to receive the frozen Ultima tokens in 1 year. Please note that you may only use your personal wallet in Smart Wallet, to which you have full access. If you enter an exchange address, you will not be able to receive the unfrozen tokens. It is also prohibited to use third-party wallets. Please note that after paying for the product by freezing, the age of Ultima in the specified wallet will reset to 0. Enter your wallet address and click the Confirm button. The next page will display the amount in Ultima and the wallet address to which you need to transfer the specified amount. The address will also be available as a QR code for sending the transaction from a mobile app. To make the payment, send the required amount to the specified wallet. Please ensure you send the exact amount shown on the screen and remember to account for the network fee. After freezing, wait for a notification confirming the Ultima freeze in your wallet. Congratulations! You have successfully entered into a Booster Split 2.0 contract. After purchasing the contract, you'll notice that the values in the Booster Split 2.0 license usage widget on your dashboard have been updated. Step 3. Withdrawing Booster Split 2.0 tokens to Smart Wallet. To start receiving rewards from the Booster 2.0 pool in Ultima, you need to transfer Booster Split 2.0 Boost 2 tokens to your Smart Wallet. Ensure your wallet is updated to the latest version and that you have a sufficient smart balance for transactions. We recommend keeping at least 10,000 smart in your wallet to handle split token operations. To activate the wallet, simply transfer 0.1 smart to it. Note that connected two-factor authentication is required to withdraw tokens. So, to withdraw Boost 2 tokens, log in to dfiu.com. At the top left, you'll see your available balance labeled My Booster Split 2.0 Status with a payout button. Click this button. A new window will open where you need to select the balance to withdraw. Choose Available Booster Split 2.0 Balance and click Next Step. In the opened window, paste your Booster Split 2.0 wallet address into the Wallet Address field. This address can be copied from Smart Wallet. Paste the copied address. Specify the amount of Booster Split 2.0 tokens to withdraw in the field next to the address and click the Transfer button. A new window will prompt you to enter your two-factor authentication code. Open Google Authenticator and enter the current code displayed in the app. If everything is entered correctly, you'll see a message confirming that your withdrawal request has been created. The tokens will soon arrive in your specified wallet. To view your payout history, go to Transactions, Payout, Splitting Boost, 2 tokens in the Booster Pool 2.0. Splitting is the process of freezing Booster. Split 2.0 tokens in Smart Wallet and receiving daily rewards for frozen tokens from the liquidity pool. Let's go step by step. The first step before starting splitting is to freeze your Booster Split 2.0 tokens. Select the Booster Split 2.0 Boost 2 token in your wallet. A screen with detailed information about your balance and transaction history will open. To participate in splitting, you must first freeze the Boost 2 tokens. Let's start splitting the Boost 2 token. Press the freeze symbol. On the screen that opens, you will see your available balance for freezing and the total number of frozen tokens in your wallet. To freeze tokens, click the Freeze button. On the next screen, you will be prompted to enter the number of tokens to freeze. Enter the desired amount and click the Confirm button. Next, you will need to review the freezing amount and confirm the action by clicking the Freeze button. You will then need to confirm the action with your PIN code. If everything is done correctly, a congratulatory screen will appear, indicating that the tokens have been successfully frozen. The next step is to request rewards for the frozen tokens. You can get the first reward 24 hours after freezing. Select the Boost 2 token and click the Splitting button. It's located just below your balance. Please note that splitting requires smart coins in your balance. They are necessary to pay for the execution of the smart contract. If you do not have enough smart coins, you will be prompted to top up your balance. If you have enough coins, a screen with information about the current splitting status will appear. Please note that the first reward can be received 24 hours after freezing. After this time, press the Claim Reward button to request the reward from the pool. A confirmation screen will appear. Please note that if you use Smart Defender, you will need to apply the card to your smartphone to request the reward. Check the box confirming that you agree to the product's terms of use and press the Confirm button. Done. You have successfully requested the reward. Click OK and the Ultima token screen will open. There you can see your reward. Important rule: Before you begin the freezing process, note that any action to freeze or unfreeze Boost 2 tokens resets the reward waiting period in splitting on the wallet. The reward waiting period is 24 hours. For example, if you received a reward 20 hours ago and there were 4 hours left before the next reward, freezing or unfreezing Boost 2 will reset the waiting time to 24 hours. Therefore, we recommend claiming your reward first and then freezing tokens. Don't forget to participate in splitting and claim your rewards every day. If you have any questions, you can always contact our support team.